Welcome to the Prospecting Done For You podcast. I am so excited you took time to join us. At the end of the day, this podcast is about one thing. It's about helping people understand how prospecting works, how to build a prospecting system, and how to go out and connect with other people that need what it is you have to offer. So Prospecting Done For You is all about your business. If you would like help, I want to invite you to go to prospectingdoneforyou.com and register to be a guest on our show. This podcast is where I help other people. I take my years of experience. I spent 10 years working in the Sandler training world, doing sales, coaching, and training. I've been an entrepreneur on my own for 4 years. And what we do is we help people launch and grow their business. Now, Prospecting Done For You is designed to be a way to attract an audience. It is not designed for monetization. So I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm here to help you. If through our experience together you would like to benefit from what it is I do and the time I'm investing into our world, I invite you to subscribe to America's Holding Company. And you don't even need to do it through me. Do it through an affiliate somewhere. Together, we are going to change the way employees are compensated in America. And we're going to do that by showing people why it's so vital to sell, to get your product in front of the right people and help them make the right decision for themselves. So if that's something you would like to partake in, if you would like to learn with us, subscribe, follow along on the journey, or book a spot. Come, let me dive into your world, dive into your business, and see how I can help you grow and achieve your dreams. At the end of the day, we are all in this together. So if you need help, we're right here, ready to serve. So reach out anytime, and with that, we'll talk to you all soon.